Hello class, I'm Alfred. Today, you are going to learn to manage leads like a boss. Welcome to Meet Alfred's Leads page. Get ready to unlock a whole new world of possibilities for effectively managing your leads. First things first, Meet Alfred's advanced CRM offers a range of filters to help you find exactly who you're looking for. You can filter leads based on the lead's name, the company they work for, their job title, location, campaign, tags, or even whether or not they are included or excluded from your campaigns. We've also made it incredibly easy to manage multiple leads at once with our bulk selection feature. When you select multiple leads, you'll be able to add tags or exclude them in bulk also. If you need to export data for reports or external analysis, you have the option to export data of selected leads in bulk, or if you prefer, just click on the Export All button. I'm Alfred. I look forward to helping you again.